Hello, you handsome humans. Welcome to step 3 up the tribe triangle, where we're going to talk about creating alignment so that we can bring the others home. Now, the others, well, those might be those lone wolves who are off scavenging in the woods and you want to call them in. But I'll give you another analogy, and this comes from an old poem by Yeats. Turning and turning in the ever-widening gyre, the falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart, and the center cannot hold. Now, this is a powerful description of a sick society where all of these lone wolves and lone falcons are off spinning in this ever-widening storm, lost because they cannot hear the falconer to bring them home and ground them and provide them a foundation of stability to work from. Now, in this analogy, you and I, well, tribe leaders, we are the falconer, and we need to make sure that we find a way for our falcons to hear us so they can return home. And we do this by providing a foundation of alignment. Now, this is our base of the tribe triangle, and it's the foundation of culture itself. And it consists of 3 parts. And we're going to deep dive into all these 3 parts the next consecutive couple weeks. But a little sneak preview. Part 1 is a shared vision for the future. This is your North Star, your lighthouse. It's aspirational, it's inspirational. It's the thing that we're moving forward. It's a future that does not exist. And that's what leaders do. Napoleon says, leaders are dealers in hope. And that's who we are. And that's what we are. The second component to our tribe triangle foundation, which is alignment, is a shared set of values. And these are really important because those collective values drive the decision-making of the tribe, the falcons, the wolves, so that we can move towards our vision together, right? Thirdly, third component, now this is a shared mission. Now, this mission that we're doing, this is the what, and it really needs to be clear. It needs to be transparent. It needs to be understood and agreed upon that this is collective, because collaboration is the key component to this. It welds us together, and it also creates reciprocity, which is the engine of kinship, which comes to next up the tribe triangle. So this is a heavy lift, and I want to direct you and protect you, tribe leaders, with a second quote. And this is by Heraclitus. He's a Greek philosopher from 2,500 years ago. He says, of 100 people who are going to battle, 10 of them should not even be there. 80 of them, and they're just targets. 9 of them, well, they're the fighters, and we're lucky to have them, for they make the battle. But the one, well, that one is a warrior who will bring the others home. That one is a leader. That one is you. Your responsibility is to bring the others home, whether those be your lost wolves, whether they be your falcons, and you can't please everyone. You cannot boil the ocean. So those 10 who shouldn't be there, those 80s that are just targets, they cannot and will not abide by your foundation of alignment of your tribe triangle. It's a heavy lift to be able to buy into a shared vision, abide by some shared values, and be able to focus on a shared mission. So don't diffuse your energy by trying to please and collect and call in all the falcons. Those 9 fighters, those are your falcons. And those are the one you want to invest all of your energy in. And we'll see you and your falcons next week up on the Tribe Triangle.